With Musely's telemedicine platform, you get access to board-certified dermatologists and prescription medications without the hassle of phone or video appointments. We offer a variety of treatments for different skin and hair concerns. Simply choose the treatments you are interested in based on your concerns and the areas you are looking to treat. We have treatments for dark spots, anti-aging, hair loss, rosacea, and more. If you intend to purchase multiple treatments, we recommend purchasing them together to avoid multiple doctor visit fees. You can choose between refill every 2 months or one-time treatment. You may cancel auto refill anytime before your next shipment. Next, create your secure Musely account. Check your email for your unique verification code and enter it here. Fill out a brief, 3-minute medical questionnaire. These answers will help the doctor determine the best treatment plan for you. Next, upload photos of your concerns for your doctor to review. These images are completely confidential, and also help you track your progress. Fill out your payment and shipping information. Review and place your order. Once your order is placed, your designated doctor will assess your conditions and select the formula that is the best fit for you to reach and maintain your desired results. Your prescription is then sent to our pharmacy to be freshly compounded before shipping. Next, your order will be shipped within 2 to 7 business days. While you wait for your order to arrive, download the Musely app. Here, you can do things like find treatment instructions, track daily progress with e-nurse, message your designated doctor, and qualify for our 60-day result guarantee. We hope you're excited to receive your treatments. We wish you the best on your Musely journey.